Welcome back, Project Golfers. I'm Matthew Ryan, and I'm super excited to show you what I've been working on. My first official project that I would call done, but it's not quite done because I am going to do upgrades as time goes on. But in the last video, I was talking to you guys about my goals for this winter and how I needed an ultimate training facility in my garage. And I did it. I cleaned it out. I put my stuff in, and it's the ultimate training facility that's on a budget, of course. It's not like top-notch stuff, but it's going to work for me. It's going to work for the average golfer, and I can't wait to show you what I've done. I'm going to go through this montage. You watch this montage, and then when we get back, I'm going to tell you my goals that I have for winter to get me down to that 7 handicap by August 2025. Right now, it is November 30th. Tomorrow's December 1st. What a wonderful day. December 1st. It's a Sunday. I got a long weekend from Thanksgiving, and I'm ready to grind to get down to that 7 handicap. So watch this montage of me cleaning my disgusting garage to make it into an ultimate training facility. Watch this. All right, guys, this is it. This is my Project Golf training facility. I'm going to call this the Project Golf Garage. I got weight equipment, I got a net and mat, I got cardio machines, and I got all my tools behind you guys, which is kind of in shambles. But I'm going to show you that, guys, that anyway. I'm going to walk you through everything that I decide to put in here and go through my goals for the winter. Like I said, I have some winter projects on my golf swing and just lifestyle in general. So I'm going to go through each portion, tell you my goals. Let's get started with that. All right, my first goal for the winter is to get in shape, to gain some strength, to lose some lbs, and this is my fitness area of my training facility. I have a squat rack, I got an Olympic barbell, I got Olympic barbell weights, I got an incline bench, I got this cable machine right here, some dumbbells, and a spin bike that I got from Costco. And all of this stuff is going to help me get to those goals. The reason why I want to get into shape is because I know that golf isn't seen as like the most athletic sport out there, but I also know that the more athleticism you have, the better you're going to swing, and maybe the farther I'm going to hit that ball. I know that Bryson DeChambeau went through this huge phase of him bulking up. I'm not going to go quite to that extreme, but gaining a little strength is not going to hurt. Losing some pounds is not going to hurt. And so this right here is part one of what I'm doing over the winter. There's going to be more to come. I'm going to tell you exactly what my exercise routine is, what my diet's going to be, because I know that's a big component of exercising, and a little bit more in depth on what my goals are going to be in probably the next video. So the ultimate golf facility would not be complete without a place to hit golf balls. And this is my place to hit golf balls. I have a net and a golf mat, and that's all you need to practice your shots. You don't really need to know where they're going. You don't even really need the net. You can hit foam golf balls to get those feels. But I was lucky enough to buy this probably like 3 years ago from Dick's Sporting Goods. It's been outside. It's held up really well. There is one hole right here. That's why I have a second net on the ground. I'm going to put it behind this just in case a stray ball does get through this hole right here. And then I got this mat about the same time, maybe 6 months after. It's also been outside. I've hit probably tens of thousands of golf balls on this mat. That's why it's kind of beat up. There's a couple spots that I've drug my golf club through, and now there's holes. This is another thing I'll be upgrading here real soon, but this is all you need to practice indoors, and I'm super excited to have a space to do this. I live in Washington, and winter golf is better than other places, but we do get a lot of rain. It does get dark around 4 o'clock in the winter, and so after work, I don't have a place to go to a range. I don't have a lighted range around me, so I'll be hitting golf balls in here, practicing what my coach tells me to practice. And yeah, this is an awesome spot to do all of that. I'm not going to only just be bored out of my mind practicing golf. I'm actually going to be having some fun with my Garmin R10 that I have and playing some virtual golf and maybe some games. One of my upgrades is going to be an impact screen and a projector to give it a little bit more simulated golf, but you don't need all that stuff to practice. And that's why I did it now, and I did it with what I had, and purchased little things here and there to have this ultimate practice facility, even though it's not the most up-to-date or most advanced practice facility. The last thing I'm going to show you, and why this is the Project Golf Garage and not just the Project Golf Facility, is because behind me is all of my tools that I had to move around. We're going to do projects on this channel. This whole channel's about making golf more affordable by doing projects to make golf more fun. Like I said, this is not the most advanced golf facility out there, but will it work? Will I get better using this stuff? I believe I will. And I think with the help of all of these tools, and right now it's a huge mess, honestly. I have a drill press back there. I got a table saw under here somewhere. I got a router table, and all of this stuff is going to help me get better by building tools, training aids, making my cart better on the course. This is why it's called the Project Golf Garage and not just the Project Golf Practice Facility is because there's a part of it that's going to be doing projects to make my golf better, in turn to make your golf better. So stay tuned for that. So this is my ultimate golf facility. This is the Project Golf Garage. Hopefully you guys like this video, and if you did, please give it a like. Subscribe to see more future videos, and if you think anybody else would get inspiration to turn their garage into their own ultimate golf facility, go ahead and share this. And if you have any tips, tricks, or anything else for me or the community about building their ultimate garage, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And if you want to know if one golf lesson is going to change your game drastically, go ahead and click the video right here. This is my round 2 days after I got my first lesson ever. See if it changed my game drastically enough to be warranted to go get one, or if it was a big waste of time. And until next time, make your golf game your project.